Hi everyone, welcome back to Easy Learning English. This is Umaran Mahapatra is going to explain how to use past perfect continuous tense. So let's get started. Past perfect continuous tense. You know the structure: subject plus, had been plus, present participle form of a verb. That means ing form of a verb. Where you use past perfect continuous tense when something was happening in the past. If you need to express it in the present, we express in the past perfect continuous tense. It had been raining. Okay? When something was going on, something was happening before another action, we use past perfect continuous tense. The students had been shouting before the teacher entered the room. The action was going on, shouting. This action was going on, had been shouting, before another action happened. Next action, what happened? Teacher's entry. The teacher entered. Okay, the students had been shouting before the teacher entered. This action was going on before another action happened. There you use past perfect continuous tense. We use past perfect continuous tense when something was happening for a period of time. She had been swimming for 2 hours. To emphasize the period of time, okay, we use past perfect continuous tense. She had been swimming for 2 hours. This is period of time. The construction past perfect continuous had been present participle form of a verb. For period of time, we use past perfect continuous tense. They had been painting since morning. Since morning, point of time for 2 hours, period of time. For period of time, we use for point of time, we use since. To focus point of time, to focus period of time, we use past perfect continuous tense. They had been painting since morning. We use past perfect continuous tense when something was happening, something was going on for some reason. Happening plus cause. We use past perfect continuous tense. He was tired. Okay, because he had been working all night. What is the reason he was tired? The reason was he had been working all day. Okay, so he had been working all day is in past perfect continuous tense. Okay, when something was happening repeatedly, if you want to express it in present, that must be in past perfect continuous tense. They had been visiting the park regularly. What was happening regularly? Visiting. So had been visiting the park regularly before it closed for renovation. Okay, as this action was ongoing regularly, so our construction should be past perfect continuous. So which are the time markers for past perfect continuous tense? The time markers for past perfect continuous tense: since, for and before. Okay, I hope you understood the concept. If you remember where you use, in which situations you use past perfect continuous tense, you could speak English fluently. So keep practicing these type of sentences. Understand? Keep practicing. Go ahead. Thank you.